Hi everyone, this is Ishwar CS from KLE BC Ubballi, and I am here to explain about which is very important and which is immortal, like you will say, which is permanent. Then what is my topic? My topic is real wealth is not measured in money or possession. I repeat, real wealth is not measured in money or possession. Well, you have come across the word wealth. What is wealth? What is wealth? Okay, leave it. If you browse what is wealth in YouTube or Google, it will definitely show wealth is the abundance of money or possession. Wealth is the abundance of money or possession. I disagree from this statement. Then what is wealth according to me? Wealth is health. You have come across the quote, health is wealth. Definitely, if you are healthy, you can achieve something. You can meet your expectations or no. Second example, wealth is being happy, being satisfied. For example, there are three persons. This person is having cycle, this person is having car, this person is having some truck or building or site. And this person start comparing his resources, is rich and is having car, bike or building. And this person I have not included, but now I will include. This person start comparing, at least he's got with all the resources, but I am not. See, you should not compare yourself with others. It is very bad. And you should stay happy what you have. Stay happy what you got. That's what I wanted to say. And you have to choose between two options. When you are hungry, you have to choose between two options. You will be getting one food and money. Which will choose among this? Definitely will choose food only. Then why you want to choose food? Because you are hungry, not money. See, you should not run behind the money. Let money run behind you. See, when money run behind you, when you have got some skills, when you have got some knowledge. See, this is your skill or knowledge, then the money will not go back. It will follow you. See, that's what I wanted to say. And I will end my session with last one quote. Whatever, you are rich or poor, you are unsuccessful or successful, no matter, it doesn't matter. If you are met with your expectations, you will be happy or you will be not be happy. See, just don't run behind the money. See, the world is expecting from you not the money, your happiness, your satisfaction and your work. You have to put your 100% work in this world. Thank you.